Hello everybody, welcome back to Trading 212, and today I'm going to be giving my honest opinions and a review of the app. So we'll start off reviewing all sides of the app. So this is actually a demo account, I need to add that, but I do have a real one, but I'm going to be talking about that more in the future. Because I'm going to be doing a different type of video, but basically I'm going to be telling you all about the basics of what you need to know about Trading 212 and whether I think it is a good investment app or not. So first things first, it's split into three sides. There's an ISA side, there's an invest side, which is basically purchasing stocks, and then there's a CFD side, which is obviously CFDs. If you don't know what that is, I made a video on it yesterday, I think, or even the day before. I made one on the invest side and the CFD side, and even one comparing both of them. So basically, the invest side is the safest option alongside the ISA. They involve directly investing in shares, so it's not really betting. Obviously, Trading 212 is a commission-free app, so you don't actually have to pay a commission on those stocks. So it's a very good one for that. You get live information on the stocks as well. This one goes up to, I think it is, minutes, so it's very good for that, and it goes to a maximum of months. So if you want to see the performance of the stock, you can see that on months. I think it would be a little bit cooler if we could see this on years as well, but obviously that's just nitpicking because you can't find this information at other sources because it won't really change too rapidly anyway, so years is not really something that you need to look at immediately, but there we go. So we've got some really cool features built into the Trading 212 app. I'm not endorsing the brand, but I just need to say there are some pretty cool features. So we've got an economic calendar. It's really cool. It shows you all of the upcoming events for the economic calendar, and this will obviously affect stock prices in the future. And it basically can go quite far into the future and even into the past. So that's interesting. And we can see obviously all the days here. So it's a very cool feature to have because it can tell you, or at least give you examples of when prices might go up or down. It also does come with, sometimes at least, I don't know why it doesn't always come on, but it shows you the previous, the actuals, and the forecast. Now, if you do know about these kinds of things, you will know that this is quite important, and it's quite cool just to have that in one place, not have to go to a different internet browser or something and search it up. So you get live notifications as well. This just shows you about what your stocks are doing, what you did, and also it gives you some information about what the markets are doing. Obviously, probably hoping that you buy. On the other side, we do have the CFD side. I've talked about this one, like I said, both of these I've talked about in more detail, but this is where you can make more money, potentially, but also lose money. I've talked about this and explained it more in a different video, but basically it's got a lot more options for you to trade. We've got things like forex pairs that people like to trade, indexes that people like to trade, and cryptos. These aren't generally on the other side, and also commodities I need to add. But yeah, so there are quite a few more options on this, but there are loads of options on the other side as well. But yeah, so if you know what CFDs are, you'll know about this, and if you don't, then there's a video on it for you there. So, overall, is Trading 212 a good app? I would say it's quite a good app, actually, yes. It seems pretty legit. I've put money into it myself. I'm not saying that you should, if there's a better option for you out there, but I honestly don't think it's a bad bet if you are going to go with it, because it's been quite fun to use. It's quite legit, it's very legit. Got a letter in the post from them, even saying that they are legit, so there we go. So it's pretty nice to have that, and it's a cool feature to have just to show that they are doing legitimate business. So if you know what you're doing with trading, or if you want to get into it, would I recommend Trading 212? Yes, I don't see why not. So that's the basics of it, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.